morning, guys. So today's Thursday. I think we're gonna be having another severe weather today. But last night, the tornado just hit Jefferson City, so a lot of people, or some people, are injured, and a few of them have died during the tornado in Jefferson City, and also the Capitol building was a total mess because the Capitol building was hit by a tornado. So keep your thoughts and prayers for Jefferson City. So yeah, look at this. There is a tornado that just hit Jefferson City, Missouri. Oh man, look at this. The damage. Oh man, look at the damage. And look at the Capitol building. It's even a mess right now. Look at that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you are affected by the tornado. Of course, the tornado just ripped through Jefferson City last night. That's before midnight. So yeah, keep a thoughts and prayers for Jefferson City. Oh my. That is a tornado that just hit Jefferson City. Oh man, I believe people are okay. So yesterday, there are multiple tornadoes that's in Oklahoma and Missouri, including Jefferson City, because a lot of people got affected. So yeah, just keep your thoughts and your prayers, and yeah, rebuild, and yeah. But I hope everyone's gonna be safe. Alright guys, I just had leftover pizza and watching Quentin's TV and playing Saints for the Third at the same time. And yes, I'm a multitasker today, so yeah. But I believe there was a severe thunderstorm watch that is in western Kansas. Hoping we got a tornado watch or maybe a severe thunderstorm watch, but I don't know. But I'm a little shook up, man. So hopefully that tornado doesn't affect our area. So we live in Wichita, and that's part of Central County. So yeah, good thing we gotta get some rain tonight. So I can't believe it. We just had severe weather for the past week. So yeah, hopefully it will end soon. But Memorial Day is this weekend. So yeah, we have a lot of plans for Memorial Day. Okay guys, so I just got done recording since one third, and yes, just a quick random video, but you get the idea. And also I gotta do more missions on here sooner. Right now I just want to keep a close eye on the weather. But apparently in South Central Kansas, they're having a tornado watch right now until 10 p.m. tonight, which includes Barber, Comanche, Noah, Pratt, and Stafford counties. Of course, one on Cedric. One on Cedric. So yeah, my brain's a little fussy today. So yeah, but it goes to 10 o'clock tonight for some of the counties, including Barber, Comanche, Noah, Pratt, and Stanford. So yeah. But good thing we're gonna get lucky if there's no tornado gonna hit our house. So quite a crazy weather. Alright guys, so there is a tornado warning in Meade County, which includes the city of Meade. That's during severe thunderstorm warning. But it is not us. So yeah. Hopefully we're gonna get lucky because we're still gonna get flood. So right now, the sky is a little dark because it is raining. So hopefully we're gonna get lucky here. So yeah. Well, guys, this is not looking too good. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Reno County, northwestern Sedgwick County, Harvey County, and northeastern Calumet counties until 6:15. I don't know what it is, but I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's 6:30. So yeah, severe thunderstorm warning is for northwestern Sedgwick County until 6:30. Oh boy, this is gonna be bad, you guys. Hoping it doesn't affect us in southwestern Sedgwick County. So, yeah, but this is severe thunderstorm warning that is for northwestern Sedgwick County until 6:30, along with Reno, Harvey, and Calumet County. So, yeah. Hey, look at this crowd. I don't see any rotation. But we live in a southwest Wichita, so yeah. But this is severe thunderstorm warning that is for northwestern Sedgwick County until 6:30. So I pray to God nothing bad happens. So 11109, we're in severe thunderstorm. It's not gonna affect here, but it's gonna affect northwestern Sedgwick County along with Reno, Harvey, and Kingman. So I think it's moving northeast, I think, or north, or anything like that. I think it's moving northeast. Well, guess what, guys? We're under a tornado watch until midnight. So, yeah, that's a bummer because of severe weather. I believe it's going to hit our town. I don't know, but we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be safe. Look at that. Weather tornado watch for all of South Central Kansas. Oh boy. This is not looking too good. Alright, guys, so my mom did help me clear out the basket where all the amiibos is. And now my stuff is on the desk and some of them are in the basket. And now it's organized. And my mom did dust it. So yeah, everything's organized. So yeah. But the storm has passed, but it's not over yet. We still have to get another storm. So we're still under a tornado watch until midnight. So yeah. Here's my mom. She's organizing my room. What are you doing?
I'm organizing your stuff.
Cool. So for my dinner, I'm having White Castle hamburgers and Cheetos. One playing Sims for the food and watching my YouTube video. And that's my walk. So yeah, time to eat my dinner. Alright guys, so I got in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully we guys survive through the storm. But tornado watch goes until 12 o'clock a.m. tonight. Or maybe tomorrow morning, I don't know. So either way, it goes on until midnight for tornado watch for Sedgwick County. So hopefully we're gonna be safe. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures watch me. And next watching, please bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.